Imagine grabbing your customer's attention with eye-catching custom badges like limited edition, a bestseller, or seasonal discount. Stick with us, Blum's got you covered. Today, we'll show you how to use custom product badges feature that will make your product stand out and boost your sales in Blum Theme. To use custom badge feature, you'll need to use Shopify's Metafields and Metaobject. With a single-line text metafield, you can quickly add a single badge. But by linking Metafields to Metaobjects, you can display multiple badges on a product for a more engaging look. Firstly, I will guide you how to add one single badge by using single-line text metafield. Access Shopify settings, select Custom Data, then click on Product. Click on Add Definition to create a new metafield. For example, I named it like Test Badge. For the description field, you must select the single-line text value type. Before saving the change, let's copy the namespace and key for subsequent utilization. Here it is, Custom Test Badge. Now you can enter the details for the product you want to display the metafield. Access product, for example, I will choose Lips Collection. You can enter the value for the product you're looking for. For example, if I select First Product, I'll click on it to open the product details page. Keep scrolling until you see the new metafield. Then type in a value for it, like you could write New Collection. Give it a shot with a different product. It's the same process we just used. Let's go back to the theme editor. Open the theme settings, then scroll down until you find the product card section. Click on it and paste the namespace and key you just copied into the custom badge metafield. Check these out. The two custom badges I just made are right here. You can customize the color of text and background here. So, what if you wanted each badge to have a different color? Don't worry, you can totally do that using Metafields and Metaobjects. Let's access Metaobject and add definition for it. Set a name like Multiple Custom. In the Field section, select Single-Line Text. To keep things organized and prevent any mix-ups, we have a set of rules for how we name each field. It's important to follow these guidelines. If the field is a single-line text, the name will be a badge text. Next, we'll add two new color fields. Let's name the first one Badge Background Color, and the second one Badge Text Color. After that, we'll create a new metafield to use this metaobject. Let's call it Custom Multi-Badge. Make sure to select Metaobject as the type. For the reference, use the name of the metaobject we just created, Multiple Custom, and then save the changes. Don't forget to copy the namespace and key of this metafield. Now, we'll do the same thing for the product as we did before. I will add new value for this product, select the Custom Badges metafield, and add a new entry. Enter the values for badge text. I will enter best for you. Then, pick the colors for the background and text. Finally, save the changes. Repeat this process for the next product. Now, let's see how it works. Go back to the theme editor and add the namespace for this metafield. All badges are appearing now. Please note that the text color and background color will override the default colors here. By using Metafield and Metaobject, you can add multiple badges to a single product using a list of entries. I will add a new metafield named Multi-Product Custom Badges. The type should be the metaobject. The reference is exactly the metaobject that I created before. And select the list of entries, then save the change. Access content. Select the metaobject and add more entries. Let's add a few more entries here. Now we will test new update on this product. Choose the Metafield as multi-product custom badges, and you can select all the entries here. Save the changes and go back to the theme editor to see how it looks. All the entries should now appear as badges on the product. That's how you add custom badges to your Blum Theme products, highlight special offers, new arrivals, and more. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. See you next time.